2, 3.
Hi everybody, my name is Hoa. How do you feel today?
Good.
Yes, I'm too. Today I want to talk with you about power of works. Do you believe about the power of works?
Yes.
Believe?
Yes.
Can you see a lot of situation in the real life? Example about this. When the people talk with you, I love you a lot. You feel very happy. Yes. And some people talk with you, I very hate you, and you feel very sad.
Yes.
Yes. And I read a book. I read a real story in the internet about it talk about the power of work, and I want to share with you because I think it's very meaningful. The story talk about not the story in the real life. The story talk about an orphan boy. In a long time ago, there is an orphan boy. His name Jim. He just 12 years old, and he doesn't have a house to live. Doesn't have his parents to take care of him. Unfortunately, a lot of children around him. This Jim and the people always think he is a stolen, and he very sad. Day by day he become more lonely, and he keep away from the people in his village. One day he has just one friend. It is a dog. He always talk with this, but he never talk the good words with his just the bad words he received from the people around him. One day, a magic thing is happen. He helped the girl help her pick up the pot she found, and she talked with him. Thank you, you're a kind person, and she smiled with him. Do you think it's a normal sentence you always hear in the real life? Yes. But it's not normal with him. He feels very happy because it's just the first kind words he hear during 12 years. And he got out. He go to the forest with his dogs, and he call his dog come in, and the dog come in back with him, and he smile with dog, and he talk with dog. Thank you, you are a good dog, and he feel the dog feel happy inside. He get out. All the people love the gentle words. Not the human and the animal love it. He hold his head up, and he realized he need all the people around him respect him, and he try a lot, and after 40 years ago he become a millionaire. And he want to give all the people around him the gentle words, and he think it's very he can help the people with the gentle word. And you know, you can something to talk with people is although it's very simple, but it can help the people a lot. And I want to tell you, let the people with the gentle word because it's very meaningful with the people. And in conclusion, I want you to remember language is its best when used to inspire others to find the best in themselves. And thank you for listening.